Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has formed a possible very ugly 5-wave move to the upside into yesterday's high. But as I already mentioned yesterday, the move to the upside is not a very clear 5-wave move and it requires a lot of interpretation. And we haven't even broken above resistance. Bitcoin at least has a clearer 5-wave move up, and it also broke above resistance. So that's the difference. So we're still below the resistance area, or let's say, below the 50% retracement there at 34.4 cents. So we could easily form a, we could easily make another low. Okay, so that's still possible, but that's why we're tracking resistance. And if Bitcoin, let's say if Bitcoin really breaks to the upside and there are some signals and Bitcoin is leading, then ADA is likely going to follow either the yellow wave count or the orange one, with the yellow one being really the accelerated bullish scenario, a very, very accelerated bullish scenario where, no, sorry, the orange one, the orange one is the accelerated bullish scenario where we have a 1-2, 1-2 setup, because we have a possible 5-wave move up from the swing low that formed yesterday as well. So this is, however, highly speculative, I find, because first of all, this move up isn't clearly in 5 waves. This is not looking like 3-wave move down. This could be 5 up, but with the 5th wave again, very shallow. So I don't trust it until we really break out to the upside. The breakout point, it's not really a breakout point, it's a Fibonacci resistance. So above that level, one more low will become less likely. Okay, so one more low down here, maybe even below the 5th of August low. So I am focusing on higher prices, also due to Bitcoin's price action at the moment. And I think it's important to recognize that the orange scenario, could take us very, very directly higher. So let's say ADA completed a wave 2 on Wednesday, then this here could send us in wave 3 more directly to the 1.38 extension. And we talk about 42 cents there, 42 cents or higher. Is that something I would primarily follow? Not without further price confirmation, I'd say. Now, if this is what's happening or not, I think it's important to recognize that the invalidation point will keep us safe. So there's an invalidation point that you can use. It offers a clear stop. If you're trading the more direct scenario to the upside, the invalidation point will offer a very clear stop. That's here at around 31.6 cents, right? Now, if we break below that level, we're likely falling back into the yellow support, well, not yellow support, but into the support area for the yellow scenario. And the yellow scenario is a larger wave 2. I can put the corrective structure onto the chart. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. It is a scenario that could easily play out. What I don't like about it is that the move down looks more like a 5-wave move. This move up as well, so it's not entirely clear. Let's say micro price action is quite ambiguous at the moment. And therefore it's just, I mean, if you want to trade it, just note that it's ambiguous price action. I think the Bitcoin chart is much clearer, but if you want to trade it, there are very clear invalidation points. And the first one is obviously down here at 31.5, 31.6 cents. Below that level, we have a clear support zone, and below 28.8 cents, it's very likely we're going to form another low. But we want to give the bulls a chance. Remember, we also had a trend line here that's now broken. So the price, not this one, there was another one with enough touch points here. So the price broke above it, retested, and is now actually trying to move up. So we talked about that trend line only a couple of days ago. It's not looking too bad, but let's see if the price is actually following through. But we need that break above 34.4 cents. So I think the risk for one more low in the white count really only reduces if we can get a break above that red resistance zone. And the next upside targets are mentioned as well. And where we should, in the third wave, we should land around 42.3 cents. that's also where we have previous structural resistance here from end of July. So that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.